Hello everyone, greetings from Sarpan Consulting Services Private Limited. Hope you are doing well and good. So today we are back with a new video for our module of Advanced Audit Trial. So let's first check this module out and what are the features of that. Before that, let's go to our App Store page and as you can see, this is our module. Uh, it is available in different versions as of now. The one thing that I would like to clear out is it is having an included dependency of audit log module. When we click on that particular audit log module, you will be directly forwarded or get to a particular page of App Store that is of audit log module. As you can see, it is the module of OCA, that is Odoo Community Association, and it is available full free to download. So once you have installed this particular module, you will be able to install this module also. So that is an base module for our advanced audit trial. Uh, so Now let's go to our solution and check out how this particular module works. So what we will be doing, first of all, we'll be going to our settings. On settings page, you will have to activate the developer mode. Here I have already activated my developer mode, so that is how you will be able to look at this particular menu of technical. Once you go to that technical menu, in the last columns, you will be able to look at this audit menu or audit settings, under which you will have to set some rules and logs depending on that use that you want to do. So let's go to rules. Here we can define what type of rules that we would like to set. So what we can do, we can set a particular rule. Let's say I am creating a rule for product. Okay, so whenever a particular product is created or edited or deleted, a log entry will be generated. So I am giving it name product log rule. So what a particular log rules are here. The first one is log reads, writes, deletes, and creates. That means when we open a particular product, or write means update, delete, or create, that log will be generated. There are two types of log here. The first one is full log and second one is fast log. When we select full log, it will save all the entries with previous details and the latest details. Like if we are editing a particular product, then it will save two log entries of uh, what was the previous value and what is the new value. And the second one is fast log, that will save only the updated value. So this is how we can define a rule. Once we have defined the rule, we will have to save that rule. Once we have saved that rule, it will not be directly applied to that product model. We'll have to subscribe that rule also. So if when I click on this subscribed rule, then and then only my particular rule will be applied. Now, as you can see, there is a new rule created, product log rule, that is based on product. Full log type is there, and it has all the rights and it is subscribed. Now, when we go into our logs, here all the log entries will be created. So now let's go to our invoicing. As we have created a rule for product, so I'll be creating a new product. So I am creating a new product called demo product 1. Okay, it can be sold, it can be purchased, you can set any rights that are required. We are directly putting 1000 rupees as a sales price, and I am simply saving that product. So once I have saved that product, let's go to our settings and check whether that task is or log is generated or not. So let's go to logs, and here there are two entries created. The first one is create entry, that was at 35 second, and here it will be showing all the values based on our model. Here, what we have added is on which particular IP address, on which platform, on which browser, and on which type of Linux this particular action was taken. So, in our logs, you will be able to look at IP address, platform information, browser name, or OS name that will be added in our module. So, these are the details that we have specifically added in our module. So, please check this module and this details out. So this is how our module works. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you once again. Have a great day.